Hey Roses, I created this look using the Juvia's Place Masquerade palette the next day after filming, so I hope you watch this video all the way through for my initial
Okay
thoughts.
everyone, hey, I am back with another video, and this one is an unboxing, and I think it might be my package from Juvia's Place. So let's open it up and find out. Now you guys, this will be my very first Juvia's Place order ever. I've been wanting to have basically any one of their palettes because every single color is a color I want to have, and you know, just seeing all the different makeup looks that are done with the vibrant colors that look great on women of color, and the owner happens to be black, so it's a black owned business. Let's see. Now I've heard mixed reviews. I've heard about the packaging, you know, people claiming that it looks like their shadows were used or the shadows cracked or whatever. So let's see. Here's a box. Open it up. Okay. So far the packing looks great to me. Okay, I'm gonna move this filler out to the side. And then there's lots of filler at the bottom of the box as well. Then it's wrapped with this stuff as well. So far on wrapping, I am pleased. There you go. This is what I ordered. I'm ready to celebrate. Okay, so let's open it up. And there's even more filling in the inside, bubble wrap. So I would say it's packed wonderfully. I don't have no problems with this packing. Okay, moment of truth. Open it up, and it has a plastic film. It is coming away from it a little bit, but every single color are in here perfectly. No cracks, clearly not used. I'm not mad at all. I am not mad at all. You guys, I'm so excited to use this. You just have no idea. I mean, with colors like, let's see, the names are Chi, Molly, Dahlia, Zola, Makita, Zobo, Calabar, Bori, Daya, Zulu, Casablanca, and Fulani. Oh, y'all don't know how excited I am to have this palette. You just don't even know. This, for me, is like my only, I would say, professional palette. Everything else is, you know, because I'm trying my little thing out with my makeup here and there, you know. Yes, oh my gosh. Okay, let's do a swatch. Okay, guys, so just look at that. Oops. Just look at that. Just look. Is that not beautiful? So let's do a swatch here. So, you guys, I want to be so careful. I'm going to do it on my arm. You guys see my arm there? So, that was just one. Y'all seeing this? Is you seeing this? And I'm lightly tapping on it. I mean lightly. Oh my gosh. Y'all. Okay, so there goes the first row. Let me do that again. Yes, do you see? Do you see? Oh my gosh, highly pigmented color. Juvia's Place ain't playing with this. Look at, oh my goodness, look at that shimmer. All right, Giza. Moving on to Fulani. These are all the earth tones. Yes.
It doesn't matter how close it is to my skin tone. Every single last one of these colors are showing up. Ooh. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Oops, I had it a little mixed in with another color, but you get the point. Let me do it again. It's only so many fingers I have, y'all. Oh my goodness, look at that. Look at that. Okay. Moving on. I'm getting way too excited. Can you tell? Is that not beautiful? I'm about to have fun with this palette.
Okay, so clearly you can tell I love the palette. There's nothing wrong with it. Packaging was perfect. There ain't no way anything was going to happen to my eyeshadow. And will I be purchasing from Juvia's Place again? Yes, girl. Is you crazy? Of course I am. There's no kind of way. And then with the price of this, you guys, this particular palette was originally about $35. Something like that. And it was marked down with the discount because I caught one of their wonderful sales, $11. Okay. And then with shipping, oh my gosh, this was a steal. There was no kind of way in the world I was going to pass that up. I don't care. I was about to be broke about this palette. So anyway, thank you, Juvia's Place, for creating a wonderful palette for women of color. We need more. I wish y'all would come out with some foundations, because then maybe we would have some stuff that would actually match. But you know, that's just me. Anyway, if you guys haven't already tried Juvia's Place, I would say go ahead and give them a try. I had no issues. Shipping was perfect. I got it within at least 3 days. No complaints whatsoever. So tell me what you guys think about the colors, about Juvia's Place in general. If you've ordered from them before, if you want to order, and let me know if you want me to do more unboxings on makeup or possibly even trying on the makeup. Let me know. I'll talk to you guys later. Oh, and before we go, make sure you subscribe. Hit the notification bell. Pass this on to one of your girlfriends. Let her know, girl, you might want to try Juvia's Place. And I'll talk to you later, roses. Bye.